morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So this is my first time vlogging on a Sunday, but anyway, so wait a minute, y'all, let me make sure. I should have it right. Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't know, but so happy Sunday, guys. Today I'm going to be to eat brunch with some of my friends. Y'all know we love brunches. Mimosa Sunday after a long week. Y'all, I didn't record any dental stuff yesterday. I had a very hard day. We're gonna talk about it later. We're gonna talk about it today. That was yesterday. We on a new day. But today, like I said, I'm going to brunch with my friends. You guys are gonna meet them. I'm gonna bring you guys along. But right now I'm about to get dressed. I was in my shower, so I don't know, y'all. I might try to prop y'all up while I get, you know, wash my face and all that. We're gonna see how that works. We're gonna see. I ain't good at stuff like that, but we definitely gonna see, okay? Let me see if I can prop y'all up. I do. All right, y'all. I think we got something going on with ourselves. I don't know, y'all, because I can't wash my face in. We're gonna see. Hold on. Maybe I should turn it this way. I see the light ain't all that good that way. How's it looking, y'all? Y'all see me? I can see y'all. I think there's something to work with. What y'all think? Okay, so my friends say I'm always late, but I be jamming when I get dressed. Y'all be jamming? You guys to jam when you get dressed. I do. I don't know about nobody else. But, so, what I'm going to do is, it's going to be in a speed mode. I'm going to speed this up. So, I'm going to wash my face, brush my lashes, you know, do my regular stuff. And then by the time I pick y'all back up, I'm going to be dressed. Watch. I'm going to be them there. Since they say I'm always late, I'm going to be them there. Well, what I was saying was, y'all, let me take that part out. I don't want to get copyrighted. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and I already brushed my teeth. Wash my face. I need a lash feel already, y'all. Dang. I'm a hard sleep. I sleep on my face. So, okay, y'all. So, let me put my music so we can get dressed.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
Okay, y'all, so let me get my eyes. Y'all know I can't see. Well, maybe y'all don't know. But girl, I can't see. Woo. Alright, we finished with that. Now I'm going to put my clothes on. Of course, y'all can't see that. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get my clothes on. And then I'm gonna do my hair. And we gonna be out. We almost there, y'all. We gonna be there. I bet you we will. I'll be back, y'all. Hey guys. Alright, so this is what I got on. It's just a, what is this? Oh, a turtleneck shirt. Like, I'm old school. I love a good turtleneck, okay? Love a good turtleneck. So I got a turtleneck on. And just some mom jeans. Oh, yeah. I'll show y'all. But I just got some mom jeans on. Turtleneck. Let me see. Does it go down a little bit? I guess it don't. Maybe I need to take it down some. Yeah, maybe I need to. Yeah, I can't see. I'll show y'all in a minute. But I got some mom jeans on. And a turtleneck. Like I said, it's the turtleneck for me. But now I'm about to do my hair. Y'all know I started my locks. You know, I can't do really much to it. But try to do a little something. So let me do that real fast because it's 10:21. I'm gonna be out the house by 10:35, y'all. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. All right, y'all. Let me do this. Be right back. Okay, y'all. So y'all know how I be looking behind me in the car because people crazy, like I told you. So I made it here 11:58. Told y'all I was gonna make it on time. Well, I'm still in the car now, but they ain't here neither. But yes, y'all, I made it. It's raining, so I really didn't pick y'all up. Like, I didn't pick y'all up when I was driving here because you gotta be careful on the road and it's raining. I hate going out in the rain. But yes, so, and my camera died a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna have to buy, not a little bit, it died all the way. I'm gonna have to, like, I think I'm gonna order like a battery pack thing. I seen some people say they order a battery pack to travel with them. Y'all, I gotta get me some stuff. I need a car mount. I need a little camera traveling tote bag. And I need me some extra batteries. Like, my camera damn died. I need to be able to see y'all. Y'all need to be able to see me. But anyway, so I'm about to go in here. I don't know, I'm gonna see how much battery percentage I have on the camera when I close it out. If I have, you know, a little bit to record in here. If not, I'm just gonna record on my phone. So, all right, y'all. So I see you when I get in.
Effing and I smoke her again. Shipping down, she needs some more breath. I got smoke all in the air. Fuck this up and you get out. AP on my fucking lap. Stack it up right on the shelf. Rub it up for me and y'all. I got drip, I let it walk. I got cash, I let it walk. I'm in the drip by myself. I'm in the drip by myself. I just done and shit the gas tank. I just done and get my finish weight. My bitch getting good.
Yeah. Okay, let's do our toast. Oh, that's real good.
Honey, see, tell me what other thing is on. I'm walking in now.
Well, Camilla about to miss the recording.
I'm weak, dude.
So the camera about to go down in a minute because people is nosy.
What are they doing over there?
Because I said I'm getting my camera.
I'm weak. Somebody come over drunk. There go Camilla.
So I said I'm getting my camera.
Can't even see. Yeah, save rice. Let me take my glasses off.
Junior, you about to stop playing? Kids. And them games. Anywho, he's right now. But y'all, so like I said, it's the next day. I done went to work and all that. I had a rough day at work. Tired. But I'm going to show y'all what I got from Target. Let me have the link down. Y'all. This right here smells so good. This watermelon just in time for the spring. And this is the Febreze. What kind is this? The Febreze Plus. So it's kind of like the bigger ones, not the smaller ones. And it's 2 in there, y'all. I'm gonna have a link below. This so good, y'all. I had to get another one. And I got the daggone air freshener. And hold on, one more time. I'll be right back. Hold on. Yes, the candle. It smells good. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have a link. I got it from Target. I'm gonna have a link for y'all. And what else I get from Target? I have this face mask thing too. I don't know why I got this. My face kind of sensitive, but I'm gonna try it out. But I'm going to get a new dishwasher today, or pick out a new dishwasher, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, of course. Yeah, we need a new dishwasher. It's time to pick out some cute ones. So I'll probably pick y'all back up when we get to. I think I'm gonna try Lowe's first, and then Home Depot. Try a few places, but we're gonna go. I'm gonna bring y'all along. And I ordered some battery packs, y'all. I know last time I told y'all my camera died, so I ordered some battery packs so I can be able to change in and out. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I get to the store. Let me just tell y'all about my husband. That man, I could be like, bam, we gotta be somewhere at a certain time. He is slow as molasses, okay? Anywhere, y'all. You know, us ladies, we have to get our makeup done, hair done. It's all of that. That man takes forever. Forever. Here he come now. Moving slower than ever. Just as slow as his little slow feet can go. Dang, that Lowe's, the W was out. So we're in Lowe's. Just got here. Oh, the music. Okay, so I'll record when we get closer to the dishwasher because the music may pick up. So I'll be forgetting.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. We should cut, but he can't get close. OG's so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't get trouble. 7 wood, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like
There was nothing in there. Nothing. Yeah. Yes, I heard you. What? There was nothing in there and there was no help either.
They ain't got one either.
Who? No. I don't know. I'm going to the car. It's just a waste of my time. Why did you park 20 miles away? Oh, it's freezing. Yeah, so it was nothing in there at all. I did. I got some footage.
Look what's coming out.
I did. I was on the camera the whole time.
Oh, I was in the background talking?
No, you wasn't. You in the background talking now.
Excuse me.
Are we going to another one now? Or we just gonna order it online? That's freezing. I'm ready for it to be spring. So we didn't find nothing in that one. It was nothing. No help. So, I don't know. We're gonna go look at another Lowe's or just order it online at this point. It's 20 degrees, so freezing. I don't know. I guess I'll pick you guys back up whenever we decide what we're gonna do next. Okay, y'all, so we're in the second Lowe's. So I'm trying to talk a little louder because they got music, and so I don't get copyrighted. But so we're in the second Lowe's, and we're gonna see what they have.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. We should cut, but he can't get close. OG's so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. 7 wood, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they're juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers.
So y'all, we went inside that Lowe's. I bet this ain't a good hand sanitizer. I like Purell.
That is Purell.
You put it in this bottle?
No, the job did that.
Let me see what it smells like. Oh no, they don't smell like Purell. That's like Germex or something. So y'all, we didn't find nothing in that Lowe's neither. And they, what's going on over there? Oh, and they said that deliveries are backed up from 2 to 3 weeks, which that doesn't bother us, but still. So we could just try again another time or another store, but not tonight. So right now we're just about to go get something to eat and go home, and that about wraps the vlog up for this week. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on another vlog. Bye.